Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hi, I'm back. And she's still in the computer room. My wife is trying to resurrect the micro SD card that the Android I'm pointing at here killed. If she can get it going, I'll put it in the adapter, full-size SD adapter, and try it in this camera. This is actually a pretty good camera. 16 megapixel, still and video with sound, no less. I got some video footage of the fur pile. 3 of them kittens gotta go, because I don't want people giving me the reputation of running a cat house. Ain't that right, babe?
What?
We don't want the reputation of running a cat house.
That's right. Yeah, it's so damn dirty. Anybody want to come and help, they're welcome to join.
Earlier, while April and Christy were at Walmart spending money.
My allowance, if you don't mind.
Yeah, she was spending her allowance. She finally got some allowance and boom, had to spend it. Anyway.
At least I waited.
Anyway, as I was saying, they were gone. I was in bed. And on the other side of the bed, on my wife's side of the bed, all 4 kittens were asleep. They look so cute. 3 of them gotta go. I can't be having no fur piles in my bedroom. If you don't understand that, that's okay.
They like it.
Yeah, dear, but we don't want to get into connotations of fur pile. No, we don't. Okay, anyway.
You're not watching the furries.
We're not into fur piles. Just not. I'll stick the video I shot with this little camera here on this video here just to show you the kittens. Bye-bye. Aren't they cute? Okay, now, there's Rusty. There's Smokey. There's Mittens. And this is Anthracite. We thought he was a girl, but it's turning out he's a boy. Oh, yeah. Say hi, Rusty.